What's up everyone? My name is Alicia Repeck for those that are new here. For those that aren't, hey mom and dad, what's going on? What's for dinner? So today today it's Friday night. I thought I would do a winged liner with a red lip. I know it's a super standard classic look. I just haven't done it on my channel yet, so I figured today's the day. Anyways, if you like what you guys see and you want to know how I got this look, watch along. Otherwise, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you so much. Alright, so to start off, we're going to go in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I've used it probably 5 times since I've got it now, and I honestly really like it. It makes your skin feel really soft. I would recommend. I think we're going to go in with the liquid highlight under our foundation today, so it's the Cover FX Cover Custom Drops. Tin Man Chic. If you've never used the Cover FX drops before, they do dry out really quick, so make sure you work really fast. As you can tell, it dried down on my forehead before I was able to fully blend it. Just life. As usual, we're going in with the Becker Under Eye Brightening Corrector. One day I'll be able to say it, considering how often I use it. Also, if you see right here, my sister hit me in the eye while I was trying to teach her TikTok dance the other night. Hello. For foundation, we're going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus yet again. I've been really digging doing the liquid contour before the powder, so we're going to go in with the LA Pro LA Girl. And we're just going to blend that out with a stippling brush. I already regret this, don't worry. Definitely went too heavy-handed. Okay, so now that we look like a psychopath, we're going to go in with concealer. I'm going to go with the Stay Naked again. I don't know why, this definitely has been my favorite concealer lately. It's just super easy to work with. It blends out fast and it brightens your under eyes. Are going to be really shocked when I go in with the Huda Beauty Banana Bread setting powder. Okay, we're just going to let that bake while we do our eyeshadow, as usual. Alright, so it's been a while, but we're going to go in with the Huda Beauty Nude Palette. I was kind of thinking I was going to do a winged liner and red lip. I know it's classic as fuck, but I don't have that posted to my story or sorry to my channel yet. So that's what it's going to be today because I am not creative and I can't think of anything else. That being said, for the eye look, we're probably going to go pretty basic because I feel like a red lip is already a lot to begin with and a winged liner on top of that. So we're going to stick with the nudes. Now going with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. And I'm going to go in with Musk here. We're just kind of carving out like almost what we would do for a cut crease, but we're just going to take the Desert Sand Light here. And this is really simple and boring, but I think that's all I'm going to do today. Just going to go under our under eye with the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. This shit is the best. So yes, my hair is just a big mess today, but that's fine. Quarantine, baby. For bronzer, we're going to go all the way back to like 2014 maybe, in with this Naked palette, and we're going to take this bronzer here. And then you may as well go in with a little bit of this highlight here. just because it's out. As well as we're going to go in with Becca and Opal. And then we're going to take the loose highlight. It's Artist Couture and the Illuminati. For our inner corner, we're going to go in with the Nicole palette. Going to take the white one here. For blush, we're going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk. This guy here. And I feel like we're going to mix with something. As well as Party by Tarte, because it's Friday night. We're going to party. Just joking, because we're in quarantine. Miss the club, man. I miss the club. Alright, for eyebrows today, I think we're going to fill them in a little more than usual. Typically, I just brush them out with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I don't know, I feel like a bold eyebrow and lip is going to be the vibe today. Also, I'm using the world's smallest goof-proof brow pencil. It's like a grain of rice. I don't even think it'll focus, so it's fine. I'm going to go in with the Gimme Brow. Well, it's a little dark. It's fine. I'm fine with it. For our under eye, we're going to go in with the ABH here, the powder bronzer. She has seen some days. She's well loved. And we're just going to connect that to the upper shadow. Also, if it's really loud in the background, my window's open because it's hot as hell behind this little green screen mirror thing. This is actually a backdrop because my room is always super messy. In case you didn't see my bio, I think it says my messy room is my aesthetic. Just be like that, just who I am as a person, right, Mom and Dad? And all my friends, you guys know. Anyways, so that's why that's back there. But anyways, it gets super hot in here because I've got the ring light, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 other lights as well. Just gets really warm, so I do have my window open, and for some reason it's really loud outside today. Alright, so we're going to do a wing liner today. We are going to go in with the Sephora Everlasting liner here. Not going to focus, no worries. Showed you guys a wing liner the other day on camera in my last video, I believe. Let's just hope I can recreate it, because I didn't hate it, so fingers crossed, man, fingers crossed. This is this wing. Let's see if we can duplicate it over here. Okay, so these are the wings. Not the best, not the worst. Good enough for me. So next we're gonna go into the NYX, and we're just gonna take this on our waterline. Alright, so before we put the eyelashes on, we're gonna go in with a bit of the Morphe and Jeffree Star setting powder, or setting spray. So I just applied the eyelashes. They are Farrah number 12. I did use them in the last video as well. They're Huda Beauty as usual. I really like them. This is my second time using them. I definitely will rebuy them. I think they're super fluffy. And then before we apply lipstick, I just went in with the Lush Bubblegum Lip Scrub. It is really great in case you haven't ever used it before. You just lick your lips and then scrub away. I'm on keto, so I probably shouldn't have licked it off, but it tastes really good, so I went in for it anyways. So this eyelash feels weird. Alright, so as I said, we are going to be doing a red lip today, so I'm going to go in with the Kiko lip liner. It's been a really long time also since I've done a red lip. I find myself, I've got very naturally big lips, and sometimes I feel like I just look like a clown. And I know I usually say that I look like a clown in videos, but just you wait. Fenty Beauty, I think it's called Uncensored, yep. So it's the Stunna lip paint. In case you guys haven't used this before, it's super long lasting. I one time went a full 8-hour shift, and then I ate buffalo chicken wings and ranch afterwards, and it didn't even shift. So if that's not taste test, or sorry, a quality lasting test, I don't know what it is. So Stunna lip paint, Fenty, get it. So now that we have the lipstick on, I am just going to go in with some mascara to finish up the look, and then I will be back. Alright, so I just added the mascara, the lipstick's done. This is the final look. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram or TikTok. I'll have both linked below. Otherwise, thank you so much and enjoy your day.